Hello friends, myself Dr. Sudha Tripathi. Welcome to my channel Indian Homeo. Our today's topic is skin care with homeopathy. As per homeopathy philosophy, while treating skin conditions, suppression of skin lesions is not okay. Basically, skin conditions or diseases are the expression of internal disease. The signs and symptoms over the skin are an expression that body is trying to heal itself by eliminating internal toxicity. Hence, the skin conditions should never be suppressed by any external ointments, because just by applying topical ointments, they only suppress the skin conditions and not truly address the disease state at all. External applications only prevents its peripheral expression, thereby pushing the disease deeper into the skin and the body and creates various side effects. Such suppressive therapies only provide short-term relief. After the treatment is stopped, the lesions on the skin reappear. On the other hand, homeopathy medicines stimulates the body to heal itself. Homeopathy medicines are not anti-anything, such as anti-itching, antimicrobial, or anti-inflammatory. But if used inappropriately, even homeopathy remedies can be suppressive. Now let us see what are the points are considered or covered during the treatment of skin condition in homeopathy. Unlike conventional medicines, where the treatment of skin conditions must include external application, in homeopathy, to cure skin disorders, the case of patient taken thoroughly. Homeopathy provides non-surgical and non-steroidal treatments to various skin conditions. In homeopathy, while curing a skin condition, unlike conventional medicines, following points are covered in detail. First is the appearance of skin, which includes the color and any discharge from the lesion of the skin. Second is the sensation like burning, pricking, numbness, and tingling over the skin eruption. This also provides critical information and helps in selection of remedies. Location and the site of disease plays an important role in understanding the emotional cause of skin lesion. Along with the above points, concomitant symptoms also play important role in selection of medicines. The concomitant symptoms are the symptoms associated along with the skin lesions like anxiety, breathlessness, or pain anywhere on the body. If such symptoms are present along with the skin complaints, then these symptoms are also covered before prescribing the medicine to the patient. Last but not the least, for selection of homeopathic medicines, the emotional cause is also considered. Depending upon various skin conditions, the emotional cause or the conflict related to different skin conditions are different. The two major conflicts considered for skin lesions are the attack conflict and the separation conflict. The attack conflict, for instance, is attack by a person or by an animal through hit or blow against the body. Even sometimes the verbal attack like scolding, threatening might be perceived as an attack. Second emotional cause considered is the separation conflict, where there is separation from loved ones. That is, when someone is separated from loved ones, or when someone has desire to separate from an unwanted relation or from a toxic relationship. So basically, by considering the totality of symptoms along with the emotional cause, the skin lesions are cured with homeopathy medicines. Common skin conditions that can be cured with homeopathy medicines includes acne, cellulitis, eczema, atopic dermatitis, dry skin, erysipelas, herpes infection, urticaria, corn, molluscum, psoriasis, ulcers, wart, and many other skin conditions. Let's see few common homeopathy medicines which are recommended in skin conditions. First medicine is Antim crude. This is recommended when skin is hard and thick like in corns and callosities. Second common medicine is Epismel when in the skin lesion there is itching, burning, stinging pain with water retention, then the Epismel is recommended. Third medicine, Arsenic album, is recommended in ulceration of skin with burning pain, offensive discharges. Next common medicine is Calendula, which is indicated for trauma and wound healing. Graphites is one of the common medicine which is indicated in eruptions where there is oozing thick yellow or honey-like fluid which later dries into golden crystals on the skin. Lachesis is another common medicine which is recommended when the skin lesion is dark purple in appearance with hemorrhagic discharge, that is with bleeding. Mesareum. This medicine is indicated when there is intolerable itching in the skin lesion with thick leather-like crust under which the thick yellow crusts collect. Petroleum is another common medicine recommended for skin lesions where there is crack, fissure, painful lesions especially on hands, fingertips and soles. Rustox is recommended in herpes infection. Sulfur. This medicine is indicated when there is marked itching and burning. This remedy is most common remedy of skin lesion. If the physical and the emotional symptom matches with the symptoms of remedy, then this medicine is prescribed to cure. Selection of homeopathic medicines for skin lesion must be done by the trained physician. Please do not take any medicine without consulting homeopathic physician for permanent cure of skin lesions.